What's up, guys? Good evening. This is Captain A380 once again with another aircraft review. I know Midge HD has reviewed this airliner. I don't know if 777 Die Hard Forever featured this aircraft, but I'm going to feature it right now. China Southern Airlines AIRBUS A380 in the 1/200 scale by Skymarks. This is a beautiful aircraft. The sag ports and PO tubes, the cockpit windshield, and windshield wipers. China Southern is based in Shanghai, China, and China Southern is a member of SkyTeam. There you see the SkyTeam livery right there, the L1 door, Mandarin Chinese, the 4 Rolls-Royce turbofan engines come along the wings and back towards the tail section. The registration of this aircraft is Bravo 8138. I'll take you back towards the APU and the horizontal stabilizers. You see the horizontal stabilizers looking awesome as ever. Now, I'll take you over to the port and starboard side of the aircraft. China Southern's livery. The registration of this aircraft. Come on the wings. And the 4 Rolls-Royce turbofan engines. The main door for the galley, for where catering trucks pull up to load this aircraft up with food and drinks. And the head purser is located in that station right behind the cockpit. I got this aircraft from the airplane shop back in 2012. The airplane shop in Fairfield, New Jersey. Very beautiful. And okay, that's it for this video. I would just like to say thank you very much for watching this video. This video will shortly be posted on YouTube. So, like always, like, comment, subscribe. This is Captain A380 signing off for now. Until next time, have a nice evening.